Hey guys, welcome to Roost Vans again. We are going over this 2020 Mercedes Sprinter that had a pretty simple core build. Now we got quite a bit of action going on in the background. Great time to take a video as they're repaving our parking lot. That's our door right there, but you know what, we'll do our best. We put in a floor in this van and also our typical core build, really. We have a fabric option on the upper paneling with our upper smooth rail mounting system and a vent fan, some lighting that we installed, as well as our bed system, and went ahead and got some Van Essential window covers from our buddies over at Van Essential. Put in a HexPly lower paneling with lower mounting system, and of course our mid-wall paneling kit with fabric paneling for that. Now it's a little bit of a unique build because he has a phase 2 that he's going to be coming and having us do, and that phase 2 is going to utilize this power station. It looks a little janky right now, so please excuse that. It's kind of a work in progress between phase 1 and 2, but we went ahead and got it secured for him so he can enjoy his rig with a little bit of power, as well as the Fuket bed system that we're so well known for. He's going to be putting in seat swivels later, but more on that when he comes back for phase 2. One of the biggest benefits of Roost Vans is, well, that's what we do. Builds in phases, so you can check out your van, see how it's going to work for you, and you don't have to do everything at once. All right, check us out at roostvans.com, guys.